Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. Today guys we probably again will take a look at the euro currency since there are some potentially interesting moments right now among the major currency pairs, but they have not quite come to confirmation. So on the Great British Pound situation is potentially very interesting, but it mostly stands and has relation to long-term charts, particularly speaking monthly chart. On the Japanese yen also is potentially interesting. Pattern is forming, but it hasn't quite been confirmed yet, and we need a couple of sessions to see whether we will get it or not. If we will get it, well, we definitely will dedicate some daily update to the Japanese yen. But right now we probably will take a look at the euro currency again, although progress here is not very significant, but it's still in place, and there is really something that we can discuss right now on the euro currency. Also guys, I suggest you to read our text version of the update, since there I have posted interesting rumors concerning the possible quantitative easing program in the euro union. So shortly speaking, the many investors will be keep an eye on inflation data that should be released the current week on Thursday and Friday, and it will mostly clarify whether we should expect some kind of the program that was previously in the United States, I mean quantitative easing, or not. At the same time, experts think that probably it will not happen and will not start the quantitative easing program within the nearest 6 months. But anyway, rumors are moving on the market right now, and I think that it will be interesting for you to read today's text version of the daily update. So that's why this expectation on the inflation data mostly explains why market seems really lazy and that we do not see any significant action. Also guys, the United States traders in the one step almost in the holiday, so you know that there will be a long holiday in the United States due to the Labor Day, and that's why market also could be thin. Well, that's why on the daily chart, in fact, not much to discuss. Here we see that market has formed small bullish engulfing pattern right at the rock hard support that we have discussed. Just remind you there's weekly confidence support in agreement with this ABCD target. It's daily oversold, weekly pivot support 1. So that really outstanding support area. And market right now is making the challenge and attempt to show some bounce up, some retracement. But this action is really very slow. On the hourly chart, we do not see nothing special except our wedge pattern that have been broken to the upside, as we have discussed yesterday, and that has happened. So trend has shifted bullish right here, but on the daily time frame chart probably trend still holds bearish. Let's check this out. Right, trend still bearish on the daily time frame chart. On the hourly chart, since action is really not very impressive, it's most interesting chart for us right now. Why? Because guys, here we see the first bounce up from the support area, and you can see that the butterfly has worked perfect. It's really has happened. It's 1618 butterfly. At the same time, guys, you know that the butterflies become the part of some larger pattern very often, and this pattern could be head and shoulders on the hourly chart. If market will show retracement right back down, it's 131.75, 131.80 area, in an area of 618 support of this move up. So approximately where the potential right shoulder's bottom should happen. Okay, it's right across this low. Okay, so that's probably the pattern, that probably the retracement that we watching for during today's trading session. Also, guys, it's interesting that the potential neckline coincides with the gap resistance. This market right now has hit the lower bottom of this gap and stands here. So let's see what will happen. In fact, guys, market somehow should continue move to the upside. In fact, it has no choice. So it should either form the right shoulder or some other upward action. In other words, it should hold above this area. Or if it will fail, we probably should be ready for a downward continuation. And in this case, we probably should forget about the possible retracement. But still, we are treating as chances for retracement as significant, mostly due to the situation that we have just discussed on the daily chart. So it's really strong support and reversal. That's in fact deadly combination for the immediate downward action, and somehow it should impact the market. So probably at least market should take some pause in downward action, but we hope that this mostly due to the oversold condition, market still should show some retracement at least to the 133.60 area, the nearest fib resistance and daily overbought. Also, we can't exclude that probably we could get even higher retracement to the 134.75, 134.90 confluence resistance. It could happen, but currently it's a bit too early to talk about it. Let's focus first on today's action. So that's been said. Today we are watching for possible retracement to the 131.75 area, and in fact that will be the last edge for the bulls. If market has to hold here and turn to the upside, if it really intends to show the retracement, if it really intends to show some upward action. If it will fail here, well, that will be very bad for the short-term bullish perspective, and in fact we could get the new leg to the downside. So let's see what will happen.